Step into the enchanting world where glassblowing and botany unite, the creation of living plant terrariums in hand-blown glass. Artists shape molten glass into delicate orbs, teardrops, and geometric vessels, each designed to cradle miniature ecosystems of moss, succulents, and air plants. The transparency and organic forms of glass highlight the vibrant greenery within, while the sealed environment nurtures life. This innovative craft celebrates both nature and artistry, transforming spaces with living sculptures that invite us to marvel at the fragile balance between earth and fire.